Yo, welcome back to the channel. Yeah, so what I've done now is I've started a membership thing. I don't know, I kept getting these notifications off YouTube about doing memberships. So I looked into it. It looks alright. It's gonna be $4.99 a month. And for that, what I can offer is what did it say? I can sort of do, emojis, I think it said, and badges for like people who sign up. So when you like stuff on any of my videos, it shows that you're like a member or something, or a subscriber. And then I'm also gonna offer, like, you get to see videos first. I can also do shout outs. So what I might do is, like, anyone who subscribes or signs up and gets the membership, I'll do you like a shout out your tag and stuff, do some videos of your tag, and then they'll only be available for anyone who's a member to see, and I'll do some member only videos too. And that way as well, I can make it a bit more personal to you guys. So I can, if you ask for direct help on a certain thing with your tag or whatever, I can just sort of do that, send it to you, or upload it and sort of tag you in it. But yeah, I'm gonna see how that goes. I mean, there might not be any interest in it. People might not want to do that. But yeah, anyway, the price is set at that. I mean, once I know more about it, you'll see it anyway. So when you go to sign up to become a member, I'm sure it will show you the perks of what you will receive being a member. So yeah, just wait for that to come. I'm sure that'll be out soon for you to look at. Yeah, I think this video here is just going to be more about just me messing around and just tagging, rather than giving any tips and that sort of stuff. So maybe if you're a smoker, sit back, have a smoke to this. If you're drinking, have a little drink, just watch. And if you're not either of them and you're just chilling, just sit back and watch it, man, and just try and take some inspiration from it. No, that pen's not very good, is it? I ain't used these pens before. Calligraphy twin marker. Yeah. But yeah, man, that last video I put up about the one-liner sort of tutorial done really well. It's probably my best performing video so far. It's probably at now 7,000 views once this video comes out, which I was really pleased about, man, because I hadn't uploaded in some time, and that was the first video I uploaded. I remember someone did ask me to do something about one-liners, and that was it. So I'm glad it's been a hit. I only wanted to keep this video sort of 10 minutes, so there's more to do with just announcing the membership thing. So yeah, that's all this is for. So yeah, man, get on there, get on their memberships, and let's see what it's like. And I'll be sure to do those shout outs and stuff on there. So let's see when that comes out. Hopefully it will be, obviously it should be out by the time this video gets uploaded. So I'll try and put some sort of link on this video to it. Cool. Peace.